Look what happens when you eat hamburgers every day. WHO declares that processed meat is carcinogenic. Sausages, hamburgers and other processed meat products are carcinogenic to humans, the health agency says. Red meat is probably carcinogenic. The editor of Materia, Nuno Domingues, explains the content of the report. The country eating processed meat such as sausages, hamburgers or sausages increases the risk of cancer, according to a panel of experts from the World Health Organization (WHO). The report finds that this type of food is carcinogenic to humans and includes it in the group of substances most dangerous to health along with tobacco smoke, alcohol, plutonium or contaminated air, among others. More than 100 compounds discussed above. The body also considers that red meat, beef, pork, horse, lamb, goat, is probably carcinogenic. A panel of 22 scientists from 10 countries of the International Agency for Research on Cancer (IARC), part of the United Nations Health Agency, has been in charge of reviewing published scientific studies on the subject. The IARC decision was advanced last week by the Daily Mail and caused a strong rejection by the industry. The North American Meat Institute, a large meat company in the United States, said Friday that the study runs counter to common sense and runs counter to dozens of studies in which no correlation has been found between meat and cancer. What is processed meat? The WHO study considers meat processed any type of meat that has been transformed with salt, curing, fermentation, smoked, to improve the taste and preserve the food. This includes sausages, some minced meat hamburgers and also sausages, from the worst sausage to the best ham. Although most of these products are beef or pork, this group also includes sausages made with blood, minced meat or viscera. The WHO considers red meat that comes from the muscle of a mammal, which includes beef, lamb, pork, horse and goat. But the UN study is conclusive and finds enough scientific evidence to consider hamburgers and other processed meats as a cancer-causing product. The full study will be published by the IARC